Welcome to episode 10 of the Tax Smart Daily, a daily video series for real estate investors to learn about tax savings and stay out of trouble. I'm Brandon Hall, and before we get started, I need you to mash that subscribe button. I want to make sure that you don't miss any new videos that we drop over the coming weeks, and if you subscribe to our channel, that will ensure that that happens. So just hit subscribe, mash that subscribe button, mash the like button while you're at it, mash all the buttons. I'd really appreciate it. Also, join the Tax Smart Real Estate Investor Facebook group and the Tax Smart newsletter. Links to both of those are in the description of this video. Lastly, if anything that I say resonates with you, or if you have any questions, please leave a comment with a timestamp. I love interacting with our community, and I really appreciate those folks that just take a few seconds out of their day to add a note, add a thought, or ask a question and start a conversation. So thank you to all of you who've already done that. Today's topic is about real estate professional status. It's coming out of our Facebook group. It's a question. The person asks, if I get my real estate license, will that allow me to qualify as a real estate professional? So real estate professional status is a tax status. So it's from the Internal Revenue Code section 469, and it's a tax status. Now, if you go get your real estate license, you can certainly put that you're a real estate professional on LinkedIn, but this is different. This is not about getting my real estate license and becoming an actual real estate professional. This is, in the world of tax, what does real estate professional status mean? Real estate professional status, in order to qualify, you have to spend 750 hours in real estate, in real property trades or businesses, and more time in real property trades or businesses than you do anywhere else. So if you got your real estate license and you're putting together buyers and sellers of third parties, brokerage is one of the 11 real property trades or businesses that count towards the 750-hour test and towards that more than half your time test. So if you have your real estate license and you're putting together buyers and sellers of real estate, third-party buyers and sellers of real estate, not your own stuff, but just third-party buyers and sellers of real estate, you're actually a real estate agent or you're actually a real estate broker, then the time that you spend putting together those buyers and sellers of real estate will count towards real estate professional status. But simply getting your real estate license will not allow you to qualify as a real estate professional. You still have to show that you spent 750 hours and more time in real property trades or businesses than anywhere else. And that is how you qualify as a real estate professional. Now, why is real estate professional status even important? Maybe I should have explained that at the beginning. So let's take a second to explain that now. Why is real estate professional status even important? Well, all rental real estate by default is passive. Rental real estate typically produces passive losses. So it would be really nice if I could claim the passive losses and offset that, use those passive losses to offset my W-2 job, my business income, my gain on Apple stock sale, anything like that, my other income. If I can't use those passive losses, they become suspended and they carry forward year to year. And it's not the end of the world, but most landlords that own rental real estate end up with their rental losses being passive, being suspended and carrying forward, because passive losses can only offset passive income or gain on sale from passive activities, right? So if my rental real estate losses are passive, then I can't qualify as a real estate professional, then they are stuck being a passive loss. They will be suspended. They will be carried forward, even though I earned this W-2 income or this business income or whatever it is. So qualifying as a real estate professional allows you to move those passive losses, move those rental losses out of the passive bucket and into the non-passive bucket. And in the non-passive bucket, again, is my W-2 income, my business income, my interest, dividends, gain on stock sale, like all of that type of income is non-passive. So the name of the game, at least in the tax world, is how do I claim my rental losses today? But rental losses are by default passive. I have to qualify as a real estate professional and materially participate in my rental activities in order to move them into the non-passive bucket and then use the rental losses to offset my W-2 income. So that leads us back to this question. People want to know how they can qualify as a real estate professional. There's a lot of misconceptions and confusion around, if I get my real estate license, I'm now a real estate professional, and that is not true. However, if you get your real estate license and if you put together buyers and sellers of property, of real estate, then you are engaging in a brokerage real property trade or business. The time that you spend putting together the buyers and sellers of rental or of real estate, doesn't have to be rental real estate, sorry. The time that you spend putting together buyers and sellers of real estate will count towards the 750 hour test and towards the more than half your time test. So you can qualify as a real estate professional by being a real estate agent. But remember, you always have to come back and materially participate in your rental real estate activities. Thanks for watching today's video. If you have any questions or if anything resonated with you, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. And check out all the links that we have below in the description. Join our various communities online. We'd love to have you as part of the tribe.